Hello, my name is Michael Jacobson. I am the lead author from the research team from the Understanding Pyoderma Gangrenosum Review and Analysis of Disease Effects Initiative. It has recently reached consensus on a core domain set for Pyoderma Gangrenosum clinical trials. Pyoderma gangrenosum, or PG for short, is a rare neutrophilic dermatosis that affects approximately 3 to 6 out of every 100,000 people worldwide. There are few approved therapies, and PG clinical trials are scarce, but there is growing interest in using newer and more targeted therapeutics to achieve disease remission. Fortunately, PG clinical trials lack standardization in outcomes and heterogeneity and poor validation of the outcome measurement instruments being used. A core outcome set, an agreed upon standardized set of outcomes that represent the minimum that should be measured and reported in all clinical trials of a specific condition, has been proposed as a solution to this challenge. Core outcome sets facilitate meta-analyses by reducing outcome heterogeneity, reducing risk of selective outcome reporting bias, and promoting clinically relevant outcomes. Core outcome sets are composed of two main components. Core outcome domains are the constructs to be measured, such as patient-reported quality of life, and core outcome measurement instruments are the tools by which the domain should be assessed. In this study, we aim to reach consensus on the outcome domains for Pyoderma gangrenosum core outcome set. An international team of Pyoderma gangrenosum stakeholders consisting of physicians, wound care nurses, patients, scientists, and industry representatives was assembled for the purpose of building a comprehensive and universally established set of core outcome domains. During the first step, we generated items of relevance using a nominal process from all stakeholders. Items were distilled and collapsed into potential domains and subdomains. A systematic review of current methods for reporting PG has already been published, and domains identified in this work were also considered in the generation of the core domain set. During the second step, after the potential domains and subdomains were identified, stakeholders participated in a Delphi exercise to rate the importance of domains. A Delphi exercise is a structured communication technique that functions under the premise that individuals who acknowledge each other's expertise can develop consensus on a focused subject. It consists of several rounds of ranking the importance of potential, in this case domains. At the end of each round, participants are allowed to see the summarized results of all participants. A final consensus meeting followed the e-Delphi was then held with the goal of establishing a core domain set. In our work, we generated 115 items from the stakeholder discussions and systematic review, which were distilled into 15 prospective domains. The e-Delphi exercise removed 3 lowest priority domains, in this case laboratory tests, treatment costs, and disease impact on family, and ranked pain, quality of life, and physical symptoms as the highest priority prospective domains. Consensus was reached in the consensus meeting on the domains of pain, quality of life, and clinical signs. This work represents the completion of the first step of PG's core outcome set development. Once consensus is reached on the outcome measurement instruments and the core outcome set is implemented in PG trials, it will facilitate the generation of high-quality evidence for systematic review and meta-analyses, which will reduce research waste, and form a comprehensive knowledge base to direct informed clinical decision-making and enhance care for patients with PG. Thank you.